Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well and welcome to the new update on VGX. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this retest of this previous channel that is already broken out. And I also want to show you this falling wedge pattern once again. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my previous trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 31st of July. And by the way, at that time you can see that the price line was moving here at the support of the channel, and we caught this pump, by the way, from here. And let me show you this chart that I shared on 31st of July, and I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down in order to complete this final leg. And we also have very strong support here. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped up to 26 cents, and then we had a quite powerful pump up to $1.19. And by the way, this was more than 350% pump. And if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then you can see almost here when the price line was moving at this support of the channel on 31st of July, I shared this idea, and this was the idea when I told my members that we can expect a slight more drop in order to complete this final leg of a harmonic Garley move. And we also have very strong support inside this potential reversal zone. Therefore, we can expect that the price line will not move more down than this level. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down up to approximately 26 cents. And the pump was begun here on 25th of August, and we had a move up to $1.19. That was more than 350%, very huge pump. And during this move, you can see that VGX also broke out the resistance of a very long-term down channel, and right now you can see this is the second week that it is testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and at the same time it is also testing a key support of 58 cents. And by the way, this is a key support zone for the price line that starts from 58 cents and goes to 75 cents. Let me to highlight this area, and it will be easy for you to understand. You can see when previously it was breaking as a support here, and the price line dropped inside this zone. We had a nice pump, but rejected by the resistance of this channel. And when it was broken down, then it worked as a very strong resistance. We entered here, we rejected, we entered here, we again moved down, and then we again entered here, we again moved down, and now you can see we have broken it out, and now we are again entered in this zone. Therefore, there is a very high probability that once again we will have another bounce from this support, because at the same time we have already broken out this resistance of the channel, and now this channel's resistance is working as a support. And at the same time, you can see we are still moving. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can see we are still moving at the golden pocket. You can see 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is here, and we are almost there, almost about to touch this level. And that is also considered as a price reversal zone. Now, if we take a look at this 4-hour time frame chart, then here still VGX is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. That is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may break out the resistance of this wedge. And by the way, if the price line breaks down the support of this wedge, in that situation, we can expect a move to the downside here. That will be approximately at 14 cents, and in that situation we can re-enter the channel, and definitely we will also break down this support, and you can see we can move very down from here, and we can also test the support of the channel because you can see it is showing us the projection up to 14 cents, and I'm not expecting that the price line is going to break down all these support lines. And if I show you the target for the breaking out from this wedge, that can be here at the top of the wedge, that will be approximately at $1.14. And in that situation we can once again break out this resistance of 75 cents, and an imminent move can be expected up to this next major resistance that we have here at $1.30. And after breaking out, our next resistance levels will be at $2.25 and $2.80. And by the way, after this breakout from this very big down channel, our target is still here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.